Okay, so another set of question paper. So question number 26 from that set of questions, right? Proof that sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equals to 2 cosec theta. See, without writing, I will solve. That is how you need to practice on your own, right? So what I need to do, this side sin theta cos theta, this side is cosec theta. That means straight away we don't need to convert anything. Sin theta cos theta, you will do the addition. So if you do the addition, so sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. So sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta whole square. So sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta whole square means you need to break it into a plus b whole square. So 1 plus cos theta whole square means 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. So this sin square theta and that cos square theta will be 1. So 1 plus this one 2. 2 plus 2 cos theta. So 2 plus 2 cos theta means 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So in the numerator part 2 into 1 plus cos theta, and in the denominator after addition it is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So you will cancel 1 plus cos theta. So it will be 2 by sin theta, that is equals to 2 cosec theta. So from the left hand side you have started sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So it is, you are just doing the addition, sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta whole square by denominator is sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now sin square theta, you are just breaking it 1 plus cos theta whole square, sin square theta plus 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, a plus b whole square formula, by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta, these two equals to 1. So what will come? 1 plus 2 cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta, that is equals to 2 plus 2 cos theta. In the numerator 2 plus 2 cos theta, that means 2 into 1 plus cos theta by sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So we will cancel these 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta, that means 2 by sin theta, that is equals to 2 cosec theta, that is equals to, so 2 cosec theta, that is equals to RHS, right hand side proved. So got it? So it is very simple. Just look into the problem, think of 1 minute how to solve the problem, then you start writing. This is another set of from another set of question paper. Question number 26. Very short answer type question. Proof that cos square theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta equals to 1 plus sin theta cos theta. See how you can do that? Both ways it is sin theta cos theta. So you need to convert tan theta into sin theta cos theta. Because the entire problem is about sin theta cos theta, and right hand side also you need to prove sin theta cos theta. So if you break this tan theta into sin theta by cos theta, that means what will happen? Cos cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So if you here also denominator sin theta minus cos theta. So if you take minus common here, then what will happen? Cos cube theta minus of cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So basically left hand side will come sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So your denominator is same both the cases, sin theta minus cos theta. If you add subtract it, so numerator will be sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, denominator sin theta minus cos theta. Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta means a cube minus b cube. So what will be the formula? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b means sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So numerator will be sin theta minus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta, that will be cancelled. Numerator denominator same, sin theta minus cos theta. So in the numerator part it will be 1 plus sin theta cos theta. That is it. Right hand side proved. So we have started from left hand side. Cos square theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Always start from the complicated side or the bigger one itself, right? Then tan theta, it is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So cos square theta by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Then you just convert it. So okay, so cos cube theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So I have taken minus common. So that is actually minus of cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Just we are taking minus common. Initially it was cos theta minus sin theta, right? So plus sin cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Now what it has come down? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Then you break this numerator into a cube minus b cube formula. So sin theta minus cos theta into 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. You cancel sin theta minus cos theta. So it is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. And that is what your right hand side. 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So right hand side it is proven. Got it? Repeatedly what I say, you look into the problem, you think once and then you start the problem. Right? So if you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you would like to have this kind of video again and again, both the lecture session where you will clear up your funda and then the problem solving either from books or from the board exam question papers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Dev's Learning Hub and also follow my Facebook page Dev's Learning Hub. Thank you very much.